You always wanted to create a difference. You wanted a new, easier approach in packing. You wanted much more from your machine. Today, we aren't just introducing a new machine. We are introducing a new way of thinking about what a machine can do. Introducing Victory and Galaxy, the perfect high-speed packing line. For the first time, machines designed with design in mind. Now, with the elegant smooth lines of Victory and Galaxy, the details of design are visible, not just in memorable classy appearance, but also in 30 to 40% more output that creates the ultimate difference. Larger format area at high speed is what you've always wanted, for we know that speed and hassle-free mechanism is what you have been craving for. Its unique oscillating feeder enables wide range of products at high feeding rate. A true advancement in engineering, an easy-to-use machine for all. Integrates any vision inspection system to ensure the perfect product quality. Victory comes with unique print registration control equipped with stretching mechanism that ensures no half-moon blisters. Victory sealing station ensures overload protection. For the first time ever, a machine conceptualized with one word in mind: efficiency. For better impression and quicker setting, Victory comes equipped with separate stations for embossing and perforation. To give you the desired speed with accuracy, we have designed a unique punch indexing mechanism which eliminates repetitive setting hassles. With our 20 years of experience with the pharma industry, various machines and change parts, and our understanding of what your packing department actually needs, we have designed Victory with tool-free format changeover in 30 minutes. Designed in Europe, Victory provides highest operator comfort and fastest product-to-product time. It's no surprise that Victory delivers 400 blisters per minute consistently. Victory, with elegant ease, aligns with Galaxy to give you that perfect line machine. First of its kind, Galaxy is designed with servo-driven technology, with 3 rotary pickup arms ensuring positive carton opening at high speeds. We have designed the Galaxy ensuring no friction to cartons while movement. It is compatible with pre-folded as well as online leaflet folding units. An operator's best friend, Galaxy ensures their comfort at every level and gives complete access to them with ease. Not just in ease of use, Galaxy is also a completely maintenance-free machine. Imagine an easier life with more output and better experience. You define the possibilities and we will redefine what a machine can do. Accupack's Victory and Galaxy. Not just machines, but your partners in generating product output that matches your business goals.